are bold, you are brilliant, and you are beautiful. There is no other woman like you because you are your own kind of woman. These are the affirmations that I give myself every morning to remind myself of who I am, to remind myself of what I've overcome, to remind myself of my worth. Never let anybody tell you no. Never let anybody tell you you can't. I have achieved and I am still achieving what was seemingly impossible. If anything, remember this: be you, be real, be authentic, be your favorite kind of woman. Don't let anybody else take that job. And remember, you're here today because you decided to show up, because you decided to be your own role model and a role model for the women around you.
Welcome to my universe. I was invited to go to the Centre Santé Dormeuse and Juice Bar located in Montreal North. Did I say that it is Black owned, specifically Asian owned? It was a beautiful day. Very classy, very beautiful. Look at all the pastries. They even have cassava. I had the cassava with the mamba. They also own their own products. They even have some type of pomade if you try to reduce that tummy area. They also have different type of products like MSM, prebiotics, probiotics, iron, teas, natural soaps, etc. Believe it or not, these are soaps. It really felt like I was walking into a healing center. Location is very easy to find if you're in Montreal. You won't get lost very easily. And also, you'll see the good vibe. Hope you enjoy.
Plus le cœur à la fête quand je vois son nom. Et quand j'écris son nom, non, j'en perds la raison. J'ai mal à la tête, si je fais pas semblant. Et je passerai tout mon temps devant la télévision.
It's been a week. The city hasn't come to pick up the snow. They haven't even pushed the snow at all. Look at this. You would think a big city like Montreal, 2024, would have a decent plan to pick up the snow, but no. We have to fend for ourselves again. At least if they would put the sign, you know, the red tag saying, I'm coming, but no. More people stuck in the snow. If you have a low rider or just a regular car, you would be stuck. And right now, if you watch the news, the more important thing is French versus English. Montreal against Quebec. Like, dead ass. And the mayor was pushing for bike lane. Like, seriously. And it's snowing again. At least it's beautiful. But pick up the snow, please.
Sometimes the best thing you can do is not think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsess. Just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best.
She's in her happy girl era. She's no longer faking a smile, no longer acting like she's okay when she's not, because she's genuinely happy.
I was doing my errands and I stopped by this beautiful small beach spot in Laval somewhere. I think it was Boulevard Lefebvre. Not exactly sure, but it was all worth it. Imagine spending summertime over here, taking a walk and enjoying this view. Follow for more.
Oh look, spring is here. No, it's gone. It's gone. It's back again. Gone again. It's back again. Yeah, gone again.
If you're rejected, accept it. If you're unloved, let go. If they choose someone or something over you, move on. Not everyone you love will stay. Not everyone you trust will be loyal. I don't care about losing people who don't want to be in my life anymore. I've lost people who meant the world to me, and I'm still doing just fine. Do not follow the majority.
I think as human beings, everybody has a natural gift and a natural passion, but then you go outside and you get influenced and you feel pressure from what's going on outside. And so, you know, I read one time, like, would you rather be at war with yourself and at peace with the world, or at peace with yourself and at war with the world? And that was powerful for me.
You know, I think some of us forget how blessed we really are. How many times God saved us from the things sent to destroy us or cause chaos in our lives. I think sometimes we forget how close we were to death or a traumatic event that could have shifted the very paradigm and existence of ourselves. I think we often forget how covered we are, how honored and loved we are, how many times we were given multiple times to straighten up and get it right. But in the midst of our falls or our personal desires to do otherwise, we were still spared and given another opportunity to to prove ourselves again and again. And to God, it is never about how much you give or your money or how well you can denounce or announce who they are and who you are. God is not concerned with your community service or how prestigious you look to those who admire you, but God cares about the depth of your heart and the ability to spend time with Him silently and attentively.
Think about me every night, oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Holy shit, is it that sweet? I guess so. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Oh, we look so cute, wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor, make him laugh so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen too.
Adjust the bass and let the Alpine blast. Pop in my CD and let me run a rhyme and put your car on cruise and lay back, 'cause it's summertime. Out and it's sort of a buzz, but back then I didn't really know what it was.
Today was family day with my cousins. We went to Brasserie 701, that's in the old part of Montreal, and look at the food. The brunch was delish. I had the chicken waffle. It's a very classy place. And then after that, we went outside walking in the old part of Montreal. The day was perfect, beautiful day. And we went inside and out visiting the old part. There was different boats, different sceneries also. I like the new parks that was constructed in the area, and also different boat that you could sit and watch as well. And that was this huge Oceanics boat with containers. We did more walking. Here's my cousins. One of them is from New York. Very beautiful day. And there was a lot of things to do, like even the Color Festival. People were hyping up, and then we went to Marché Bon Secours, and yeah, the day was perfect. I really recommend it. Follow for more.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit, bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit. Heavenly word. Then now I'm trying to I'm a child of God. Can't hold me back, minutes can't go slow now. Heavenly word.
How does it feel to stand? Can't let it slide, I must tackle, 'cause in your sight I'm at the right hand. Grains of sand, like how many plans? You got me and the wifey, covered the words we utter, established the fam. We take it by force in the warm, and I walk with the righteous clan. Through the battles we're gaining wisdom, with the babe let me pray then listen. Demons slay when I say it's written. Wait 1 sec, let me state this mission. The mission is clear, shine in the dark, I gotta stay sharp, so I walk with a shield and a sword when I'm here. Perfect love, but cast out fear.
Heavenly word. Then now I'm trying to I'm a child of God. Can't hold me back, minutes can't go slow now. Heavenly word, heavenly word.
Falling leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves of red and gold. I see your face. Ooh, summer kisses with sunburned hands. I used to hold. Come on back. Well, since you went away, days grow long.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry.
Your new life is going to cost you your old one. It's going to cost you your comfort zone and your sense of direction. It's going to cost you relationships and friends. It's going to cost you being liked and understood. It doesn't matter. The people who are meant for you are going to meet you on the other side. Instead of being liked, you're going to be loved. Instead of being understood, you're going to be seen.
And the world thought I had it all, but I was waiting for you. Hush, now I see light in the sky. Oh, it's almost blinding me. I can't believe I've been touched by an angel with love. Let the rain come down and wash away my tears. Let it fill my soul and drown my fears. Let it shatter the walls for a new sun. A new day.
Today I pray for stillness, just a second to reflect, just a second of calm, just a second to be in tune to what God is relaying. I pray for moments of solitude where noise is a never-ending distraction, taking me away from the places needed to align me and bridge me over into peace. I pray for a calm mind. I pray for a calm spirit. I pray to be in calm places that keep me grounded and serves me with the best form of understanding. I pray to hear God's words. I pray to move with the availability to serve in a full capacity that requires much of self and less of the ego. I pray that in my still thoughts I gain greater clarity where confusion subsides and rest in the ease of my calm heart and my calm mind, granting me entry into the gates of wisdom. I pray that in my moment of solitude, I'm giving greater ability of awareness, discernment, and enlightenment. In my place of stillness, peace, and contentment, I pray over my heart that I am provided with a clean heart and a clean reset where forgiveness and grace can be junctured together and live in harmony amongst the very crevices of a fractured heart that offered me no availability to thrive at one time. Where I'm at peace with whatever may happen and whatever may come, because being divinely protected is the greatest element of peace in my stillness that I could ever obtain. Today I pray for stillness, just a second to reflect, just a second of calm, just a second to be in tune and to hear what God is relaying. And I pray that you receive the very same thing for you.